Today I'm going to show you how to change out your reverse light on a Ford Focus. So you want to open the trunk. Once you have access to this, you don't need to mess with any of the covers that would be present in the back. So just make sure you're able to get this off, and that will pull off that entire assembly for your reverse lights. Once you unscrew that, you can actually take out this reverse light. And that'll give you pretty easy access to the actual bulb back there. So what you can do is just unscrew this counterclockwise. So you just unscrew that counterclockwise, and you have the bulb there. It's a good idea to wear gloves whenever touching light bulbs. Oils on your skin can make uneven heating and cooling on the glass and can make them fail premature. So I'd suggest wearing a pair of gloves whenever working with bulbs. I'm going to take this bulb and lightly pull on it until it comes out. So you lightly pull on that until it comes out, and you can see the bottom. If you look at the top, it's clear. It doesn't look like it's burnt out or anything. You can still see the filaments intact, so this doesn't need to be replaced this time. And all I'm going to do to replace this is just push it back in until I hear a click. So it made a click when I pushed it back in. Now we can reassemble this. So again, make sure not to touch the bulb. Just going to push this back in. There are slots on either side. So I pushed it back in. Now I'm just going to go clockwise. So it pushes it back in place. There's a pin on the left, a pin on the right, and a bolt that you need to push back in. So now what we're going to do is push back in the pins first. Get those good and located. So we're going to push back in. Got the two locator pins pushed in. Now it's time to screw that back on. Just needs to be finger tight. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day.